In this video, I will demonstrate how to upgrade the firmware for Metcal's GT variable temperature soldering system. So the items that you will need: USB stick with the latest firmware. Now keep in mind, the file must be named image.hex or this upgrade will not work. First step, we're going to verify the current firmware on the unit. So watch very quickly. Version 73, that's the latest firmware. So now, I'm going to power off the unit. I'm going to get the USB stick, plug it into the USB port on the back of the unit, and with my 2 fingers, press the outer buttons. I'm going to turn the power on and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the buttons, and in a few seconds, the power to the unit will show that it's on. There you go. Let me turn it off to verify the firmware again. Let's look at the top right. Version 75. The firmware upgrade is now complete.